Welcome back to Lab3. In this lab, I'm going to create an EC2 instance with the instance store as a root volume. Let's go back to the demo. And inside that, I'm creating an EC2 instance here, launch an instance. And so earlier, I was choosing the image which was existing on the quick start. So here, if you see that the root device type is EBS and the virtualization type is HVM and ENV is enabled, and there are some other parameters. So, and we have to choose the root device type is instance type. So, and before doing that, okay, exactly, I just wanted to understand. So what are the types of storages are available for the EC2? So one is the instance storage and EBS storage. This instance storage, that is a hard disk in the host machine, and you lose the data if EC2 instance is shut down. And EBS storage is something like, okay, it is an elastic block storage, and this elastic block storage is one of the two types of storage on AWS. So this is basically an independent disk, and even your EC2 instance is terminated, but still your data will be preserved, and you can access that data. And you can also attach this EBS volume to any existing EC2 instance for recovering the data, for getting the data. So so let's go back, and I will show you that, okay, how what is the difference here. And if you go to add a storage here, so this option is disabled for the instance storage, and when you click on the EBS, and this option is earlier one is for the root storage, it is actually enabled. For the EBS, this is a disabled state. So what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to choose another instance, that is a community AMIs. So here I can apply the filter. So instead of finding the root device type is EBS, so what I can do, I can create the root device type is EBS instance store. This is the set of instances which are available, and the root device type is instance store. That means that whenever you terminate the instance, it will automatically delete the volume also. So you can select that instance and go to the next. So here, and these are the set of types are applicable for that. What I can do, so I can select any one of the existing instance type here. So let me choose any the instance which have the free tier which is applicable, so that would be great. I'll go back here, and so here, and all the images are actually disabled, because instance store is applicable for only for a few of the existing instances. So for doing that, I'm using a general purpose, which is the smaller instance, and go to the next. And here I want to continue with M1 small. And so these parameters, I'm not going to change anything here. If you go to the add storage here, so which is by default, which is added for 160 GB here, and so it will not allow you to add additional any hard disk here. So, and you can review, and then you can launch the instance. So this is how you can go ahead and then create instance store as a root device, and you can launch the instance as per your requirement. Thanks for watching this video.